Ethereum is testing a crucial resistance level. If that sounds interesting, make sure to continue watching this video. We are getting close to 900 Telegram members. If you guys want to stay up to date with my charts as well as my analysis, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Ethereum yesterday, we saw a massive capitulation event, losing the 1612 support level. We saw a very nice breakdown opportunity. For those of you that were part of Telegram channel, I mentioned to you guys, of course, to start looking to take some profits right at the bottom of this wick. Now, although our take profit level of 1518 was there, I warned you guys the fact that we are in extreme oversold conditions, and it's always a good idea to end up putting some trailing stops, because if the market does recover, you don't want to end up giving up all your gains. Now, in yesterday's video, I also mentioned the fact that me personally, I would like to see the 1612 support level now turn into resistance, which is exactly what we are seeing as of right now, with a beautiful V-shaped recovery. But the bulls, of course, didn't end up taking back these levels. It's a little too early to say, because as you guys already know, I usually wait for a 3-test confirmation. Right now, we have only seen 2 test confirmations on the 4-hour time frame, as well as the fact that we continue to trade above our exponential moving averages. If, of course, the bulls can somehow reclaim above this territory and continue pushing higher, then this simply was a fake out. But in my opinion, we have to be very, very careful here, because of the fact that it was a very long time for the bulls to actually take control of these levels, but we didn't end up seeing that continuation. Right now, if this does end up being a massive continuation and a rejection on the 1612 resistance, as well as our daily exponential moving averages, this is going to be a beautiful shorting setup once again into the green candle. I've warned you guys pretty much this whole dump towards the downside from all the way up at 1839 that every green candle right now is a reason to be entering a shorting position. The reason for this, of course, is not only do our exponential moving averages on the daily are seeing to fail that break above, we aren't also seeing that continuation on these supports. Every time we end up seeing these support levels being tested, volume doesn't end up coming into the market, which of course tells us that this isn't the area to be looking for these buying opportunities. If, of course, we do end up losing 1518, then my massive M formation level does end up playing out, which of course I have warned you guys on the daily time frame, where our take profit level is right below that 1380 support. If we do end up seeing that continuation and that level being hit, I will personally be looking for some buying opportunities around that zone, but of course not for the long term, because we are still in a massive downtrend. Zooming out on Ethereum's chart, you can see that this simply is just a consolidation zone. Whichever way you want to see it, we have been in this price action before, back here on September 22, as well as the fact that right here we saw the same sort of price action in April. We haven't really seen a break from this continuation, so I wouldn't be surprised if we did manage to see something like this, where my main target of 723 is tested. Of course, for those of you that are new to the channel, the reason why I'm paying attention to the $723 mark is, you can see from the previous bull runs, this level acted as not only as a strong support, but as well as a strong resistance. Now, if we look at the previous bull run that happened back in the 2020-21, you can see that we ended up retesting this level as support before we saw that continuation. Same level being tested as resistance, and once again, same level being acted as support. That caused a massive move towards the upside, and I wouldn't be surprised that if we did see a slow bleed pattern right back into this zone, and of course that will be some life-changing opportunities. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. If you guys are